Yes, I know you are anxious to get to know more about the X39 LifeWave patch. Yes, and it is definitely not the same as any other patch on the market. It is unique and it is patented. This is the little patch, and you will get it in an envelope or sleeve like this, containing 30 patches. So a little bit about how it works. Like the sunlight shines on your skin and it activates natural processes in your body so that vitamin D is produced. Very much the same way, this is how this LifeWave patch works. When it is on your body, your own body's heat, the light, your infrared light that your body emits is reflected back to your skin at certain wavelengths. And it activates natural processes in your body that contribute to your overall health and well-being. But check out my next video where I will give you more information about the science behind the patch and exactly how it is working and what it does in your body. Check out thisisitinfo.com. You will get all the information that you need on the patch. This is it, info.com. And feel free to contact me for any queries and assistance that you have. I will drop the links in the description.